Hi guys, today I will be sharing with you two homemade natural face masks for acne prone skin. 100% herbal face mask that will ensure that your skin is free from acne and marks. First, take a clean bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of neem powder. Add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree essential oil. Add 2 teaspoons of rose water. Mix it well. Apply it onto the face and leave it for 20 minutes. Neem, we all know it has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which helps to reduce acne size and improve skin texture. It reduces the scars left by pimples. Tea tree oil helps to get rid of acne and prevents further skin infections. Take a clean bowl, add 3 teaspoons of pomegranate powder, add 2 teaspoons of rose water. I made my entire family try this and all were amazed onto just one usage. Their skin became visibly clear from dead skin cells. Apply it onto your face and leave it for 10 to 20 minutes. This pomegranate powder is made from the peels of a pomegranate fruit, which is high in antioxidants, which help to treat acne and heal your skin from the damages done. Use these face masks on alternative days for 1 week to see great results. You would be amazed to see how these Ayurvedic recipes work. I got these 100% natural, chemical free, preservative free powders from Herbs Goodness. Purplle is having Diwali sale, buy one get one free on 15th of October. Sale is for limited period of time, so go grab it soon. I will leave the link in the description box. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is me Deepthi signing off. Bye bye. Take care. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.